IRS Form 1099-S is the proceeds from real estate transactions. The settlement agent, title company, mortgage lender, real estate attorney, or any other party responsible for closing a real estate transaction is required to file this form when the proceeds from the sale meet or exceed a reportable amount. If you sold a home or other real property, you may receive this form. The filer section at the top identifies the person or company responsible for closing the transaction. That is typically the settlement agent or closing attorney. Your name and taxpayer identification number appear as the transferor. The account number, if any, identifies the specific transaction. If you did not receive a 1099-S but sold real estate, the transaction is still reportable on your tax return. Box 2 shows the gross proceeds from the sale, which is the full sales price before any deductions for expenses. Box 3 shows the date of closing. Box 4 has a checkbox for whether the buyer will use the property as a personal residence. Box 5 indicates if the property included services or non-cash consideration. Box 6 captures the amount of buyer points paid on behalf of the seller in certain transactions. Use Form 1099-S along with your settlement statement to report the sale on Form 8949 and Schedule D. If the property was your main home, you may qualify to exclude up to $250,000 of gain, or $500,000 if married filing jointly, under the home sale exclusion. Consult IRS Publication 523 for rules on the exclusion. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.